Hey guys, it's Kelly and Daniel from fitnessblender.com, and we're having a massive sale.
That's right. We have actually 3 big sales going on right now. First, we have our programs. All of our programs and our nutrition programs are 30% off now through Cyber Monday. We have all of our Workout Complete clothing 30% off and free shipping over $50 now through the 24th of December.
And this is the last one of those styles, just heads up.
Yes, they're going away. We're not going to be renewing that run. So if you want to get them, make sure you get them now as quickly as possible.
And
and our last one, our biggest one, is we have 45% off early access to our new FB Plus features. So this, you have probably not heard of it yet, but it is a huge deal over on fitnessblender.com. We are expanding the website drastically, and we have tons of new stuff over there.
Yeah, we launched it about a month ago, but we've been working on it for years, literally. And all of this has been built off of user feedback. So this is 100% driven by your request. So we've already launched, it's ads-free, completely ads-free, not on the videos, not on site. There's a new Surprise Me button, which you guys are loving. It's being used like thousands of times a day. It's amazing. We have also just launched statistics, which help you see, it gives you crazy insight to your own workout routine. So everything that you've ever logged in our calendar is now available in statistic form. So you can see how many workout completes you have, you can see how many minutes you work out, how many minutes you have spent in each training type, each difficulty type, each muscle group. Yeah, and it's an insane amount of information, and you can turn it off if you don't like it, or leave it on and use it as insight for your routine. But we're just getting started.
A fraction of what we're going to be rolling out over the rest of this year and through 2020 and beyond. The next feature that's going to be launching in a few weeks from now is going to be able to allow you to store outside workouts on fitnessblender.com's calendar. So anything you do that's not a Fitness Blender workout, you can actually now go through and log that and track it with the rest of your workout, your Fitness Blender workouts.
Yeah, so not only can you schedule it on your calendar so that it's all waiting for you in an organized way when you get to it, it's also going to track that information as well. So if you take your dog for a walk, or you go swimming, you play a basketball game, whatever it is, you play marathon, cycling, whatever it is you love, you can now track that. Well, 2 weeks from now, you'll be able to track that on our calendar. And again, it's going to feed that into the statistics overall. And you get to see, we'll share some screenshots here so you can see what that looks like now. And like we said, this is just the very beginning.
But don't worry. The original fitnessblender.com, all of the videos that are there, all of the content, all of that is still staying free, and we're going to continue adding to that as well. This is just all extra. So we're also in 2020 going to be doing exclusive content behind the Fitness Blender Plus, as well as challenges and other things like that.
Workout videos and challenges,
Yep. And we've tried to make this as easy for people to use as possible, and as non-binding as possible. So you can go down and buy just a single month if you want to. You can do a recurring monthly. You can do a year-long to get a better deal on it. And all you have to do is hit the cancel button, which is very painfully obvious of where to do it. You hit one button and you never ever get charged again. So
remember, you have that one-off month option too, so you can just buy one, just standalone if you want to just try it out. We tried to make this flexible and user-friendly as possible.
But it's already been going since October, and everybody's really liking it. So if you haven't tried it yet, I would definitely suggest going over there and at least taking a look at it.
Yeah, and the other thing is about early adopters especially, but this is obviously always true of how we operate our business, but especially right now, we are so open to user feedback. So the people who have joined already are already shaping what FB Plus is and what it will be. So, I mean, we want to hear from you, ultimately.
Yeah, we actually have a direct user feedback form for FB Plus members to tell us what they like, what they don't like, and what they want changed. And we've been able to actually follow along with their guidance pretty quickly. So this is, again, an ongoing project, and it's just going to get better and better and better every day, every week, every month that goes by. So super excited about it.
Wait till you see it by the end of 2020. It's already crazy, but in a year from now, it's It's going to be crazy. It's
and
really exciting.
And it's come right at a time where we're actually celebrating our 10-year anniversary. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but we've actually been a company and been putting up videos on YouTube for over 10 years now.
Well, the YouTube is, I think, 10 years this summer. Fitness Blender.
January. In January is our first, is the anniversary of our first YouTube video. But yeah, we're super, super excited for this next phase in Fitness Blender. And again, don't worry, we're not changing anything about how we were doing things. This is all just new extra stuff.
Yeah.
So with that said, remember it's 45% off of FB Plus right now, so make sure you go over and take a look. We also have 30% off of all of our programs through Cyber Monday, nutrition programs and workout programs, and we have 30% off plus free shipping over $50 orders on our Workout Complete clothing. So check out all the links in the description below. Other than that...
Otherwise, we will see you in 2020 in January with more workout videos and more vlogs and more workout programs, all kinds of good stuff.
We have all kinds of great stuff headed your way in 2020. So
it's going to be a fun year.
Make sure you keep checking us out. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again.
Thanks, guys.
Bye. So, Kelly, what are we talking about today? Well, Daniel, we're going to talk about 30% off of Workout Complete clothing line, and we're also going to talk about 30% off of programs. It's so exciting! Wow, Kelly, that's great news. Oh, hey, Kelly's back! Yeah, we're Kelly. Go ahead.
All right. How long have you been doing that? I heard that from when I opened the door. I was like, is Daniel having a puppet show? Yes, he is.
Sam.
Okay. All right.
Miss Grumpy Pants. All right, let's give this a whirl, shall we?
Let's.
Again, with a new shirt. Sorry. Some bloopers may feature a different shirt. Just saying.
It needs to be changed.
I mean,
whatever.
I'm a total.
Douche.
No. Wow. Was that?
Listen to the sound of my fingers.
Doing the sensory thing? Oh my gosh.
Wait, where's it? Here.
Starting a whole new channel.
Oh my gosh.
Where are you going? Are you like waltzing around me? What was that? You can't keep
and
your
I
eyes
don't have
open?
contacts in, so I can't see. I can see everything. You know, obviously this close especially, but it's like a little bit.
So why are you bother writing anything down? That's just like a smudge. 100%.
How do I even do that? I want to try to learn how to do it on purpose, and I'll call it the baby bird nest.
Oh my god.
Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Thank you.
Okay, the second 30% is for programs.
Programs and.
No. No gay, no gay. All right, you ready?
Ah! So wheel me into place. Oh!
Okay.
Well, that's the slipper.
Hello, my name is Kelly, and I like to do fitness videos like this. And then... Hello everyone, this is Daniel and Kelly with fitnessblender.com, here with some awesome announcements.
Yes.
Announcement number 1. Anything else?
Kelly bot. I'm not telling you what it is, but it's coming.